Hello everybody, I am back with a video, little haul video, little teeny one for the planner section. Actually it's the budgeting section, but planner. So my Amazon thing came in, it wasn't supposed to be here until the beginning of the week. So I'm so excited for that. And first off, since you can see it, went to my thrift store here in town, and I was thinking about, I was saying in one of my videos that now that I'm down to 2 of these all the time for filming, one's for my Tiny Toes Reborn Nursery, the other one is for everything else, my personal channel. I call it my personal channel. So I wanted, because carrying the iPad, whatever else, I'm like, I gotta get a little tote or something. And I thought about using my scripture tote that I have and put that stuff somewhere else for now. And I'm like, oh, I want something to just carry this stuff in. So when I was at my thrift store, I saw this. It's bigger than my scripture tote, but it has a J on it. And I'm like, okay, it's pink. It's somebody's initial. It's not my initial, but it is my husband's for Jeff. So I'm like, because I thought about ripping that off of here, taking that off, but I don't know what it'll look like. I still may take it off, but I could use, well, this side has little, I don't know why it has little things here that you could hang stuff on. But it has 2 pockets here, pocket on the side, 2 pockets in the back, so 2 side pockets. I mean, it would be sufficient for carrying these around, so I could put them in here like that. And then if I've got to add like pencils and stuff, now they'd fall out of here. I could put a drink right here. You know, but if I wanted to put pens and stuff in here, I'd have to get a little pencil box that I can get from Dollar Tree or whatever for $1. But then I got thinking, this one's bigger, and I don't need anything really that big. I could switch to this one. And this one has more pockets in it, and this used to be my planner bag, but I moved it to my planner cart, which will be down here. But when I want to do stuff at night or whatever, I can just put everything in this and take it upstairs. And there's more room in this for this stuff, so I may just switch it, and it's more sturdier. I mean, this stuff falls over. And then if I'm going in the car or anything, I can find a cute little like backpack kind of thing to put with it. So I don't know, that's what I found, and seeing there's plenty of room in here. So I found that. It won't stay up. Okay, so budgeting stuff. Sorry about the noise. I have a calculator up on my desk upstairs, but I don't have one down here. And this one will match everything on my desk upstairs because my desk is white, and all my accessories that I have are pink. So I'm like, I really want this calculator. I probably could have waited on it, but I have a feeling if I waited on it, it would have gone up even more. So, but it's the Locock calculator. I got it off of Amazon. It's beautiful. I don't even want to take it out of the box. But to use for my budgeting stuff. So this will be my calculator for that. And somebody said it doesn't do percent, but I don't think I would use it for percent stuff. And I could always use my phone, but this is prettier. It's more, it's more pleasing to the eye, I guess. So let me take that out. So, I don't know if I can even get it out of the box. Okay. So it's got two protective things. Plus this thing. I packaged it really, it's a lot bigger than what I thought it would be. On camera, it doesn't look that big. It doesn't look that big. Oh, I like the buttons. That's so cool. Here it is. And for those of you that want to know, it is, because it's pretty good size. I mean, it fits in the palm of my hand. It is like almost 6 inches tall, 6 inches from here to here, and it is about 3 3/4 across, so it's pretty good size. But some ASMR for you. And then you just got to put, it comes with the how to use it, and I think it is pretty self-explanatory that it's a calculator. You have to make sure it snaps. Ooh. Where's equal? Right there. Cool. That's awesome. So, there we go. And it shuts off by itself after it sits for a little bit. So the other thing that I got for this stuff, remember I was talking about that if I try to take money out of my bank accounts that I could get dinged, and I don't want to get dinged, but I can move it around inside on the online banking stuff. So I thought I would get some play money and use it. So I got, it has ones, and let's see, and it feels like real money. It's got twos, and it's got fives, and it's got tens, and it's got twenties. It has the little marks on it. So it's got that, and it's got 50s, and hundreds. Isn't that cool? So I thought this would be cool to use while I'm doing the bills and stuff, like I'm moving this to savings and count the money out and like move it to the envelope that it needs to be in. And then even though it's already moved, I can use, I'm gonna have to get a bunch more of these probably and use them as place markers. So there we go. So there is my thing. Ariel's gonna love it. She's gonna want to use it for her play cash register and stuff. But I might get her own for Christmas. I'll get her own. I'll order 2 more of these. They weren't very expensive. I think they were like $5 a piece or something like that. And you get like 20 of each item or something like that. Let's see, 140 sets. 2 sides, prop money. Yeah, so there's that. So there's my haul. I am collecting things for a beauty haul. I did get a couple more items, but that's for the beauty stuff. And so yeah, I'm so excited to use this. So I'm gonna leave this down here because I will use it down here. And I'm thinking that I may end up making a makeshift, like, pretty desk. I mean, I already talked about changing this a little bit. So I have a couple of desks down here. I have this. I have the one over here. I have that one. I'm thinking about changing it up a little bit so I can use my pink stuff down here, decorate it so it's pretty. So there's my stuff for budgeting in my little bag that I can go back and forth with in the house. You just can't put like pencils and stuff in there. I'd have to put them in like a little box on the inside. But I do like it because it's black and white. So, anyways, I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the 500 subscriber giveaway and go check out support other YouTubers. I mean, there's tons of them out there. If you like the budgeting, go support some of those gals. And if you like planner stuff, go support some of those gals and everything. And we will see you all again soon. Bye now.